In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games and libraries. Whether you're running out of space on your main drive or you just installed a faster SSD, this process is quick, safe, and built right into Steam. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First things first, open Steam and look to the very top left corner of the window. Click the Steam menu. This opens the main app menu where we can access the app's core settings. Next, click Settings. This is where Steam keeps all of the options for downloads, storage, and your library locations. In the Settings window, click Storage. The storage panel shows you where your Steam library folders live and which drives they're on. You'll also see a list of your installed games and how much space each one is using. Now, click the top. At the very top of the storage page, there's a header area that shows your existing Steam library location. Click that top section to focus on the current library and confirm which drive your games are on before you move anything. This is simply helping you orient yourself so you know the source and destination. Next, click Add Drive. This tells Steam you want to add another library location, typically on a different drive. Steam will open a dialog to set up the new library folder. Select the new drive. In the dialog, choose the drive where you want your games to live going forward. Steam will create or use a Steam library folder there. If you're using an external drive, make sure it's formatted for your operating system and has plenty of free space. It's also a good idea to keep that drive connected the same way every time you launch Steam. Back in the storage panel, look at the list of installed games. Find the game you want to move and click the checkbox next to it. You can select one game or multiple games if you're moving several at once. If a game is currently running or updating, wait until it's idle before selecting it. Finally, click Move. Steam will begin transferring the selected game files to the new library on your chosen drive. Don't close Steam while it's working. The time it takes depends on the size of the game and the speed of your drives. When it's done, the game will appear under the new drive, and your shortcuts and save data will remain intact. That's it. You've successfully moved your Steam games and libraries without re-downloading. Enjoy the extra space and faster load times.